When you skip a meal, your body doesn't shut down, it actually switches gears. Deep inside, a powerful hormonal transformation begins, one that wakes up your system instead of slowing it down. Let's explore what really happens in your body when you don't eat. When you stop eating, the first major shift is a drop in insulin levels. This drop tells your body it's time to tap into stored energy, your fat reserves, instead of adding more calories. Your body starts using the ones it already has. At the same time, your fight or flight system, known as the sympathetic nervous system, kicks in. This isn't a moment of shutdown. It's a moment of activation. Your body becomes sharper, more alert, not slower. Hormones like cortisol and growth hormone begin to rise. Why? Because they help pull stored calories out of your body and make them usable. It's nature's way of giving you energy when no food is available. Imagine a hungry wolf in the wild, lean, alert, focused. Not sluggish, but sharp. That's your body in a fasted state. It's biologically wired to survive, to search, to succeed. Many believe fasting slows your metabolism, but research shows the opposite. Fasting actually increases your metabolic rate. Your body burns more efficiently, not less. So the next time you skip a meal, remember, your body isn't shutting down. It's waking up. It's shifting from storage to action. And that's not a failure. That's incredible biology in motion. Subscribe to Healthunits for more science-backed insights, because your health deserves clarity.